If you say 1 is the answer to this equation, you are not alone. That is why this equation caused confusion on the internet. But let's solve it together so that we can see that the answer to this equation is not actually 1. Let's begin. We start with this parenthesis. 4 minus 1 will give us 3. Here is multiplication. Put down the 2, the division, and then you bring down minus 2, and then you bring down the 8. Next is division according to order of operation. Minus 2 divided by 2 will give us minus 1. So we bring down this 8, or bring down this multiplied by 3. Now minus 1 times 3 will give us minus 3. So we bring down the 8, and then 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So the correct answer to this equation is 5. Why do I solve it the way I did? I use the order of operation called pemdas. Following this order, we begin with parentheses, followed by exponent, something like 2 square, and M and D, which stand for multiplication and division. You evaluate from left to right. A and S, which is addition and subtraction, you evaluate from left to right. So looking at this equation, we can see parentheses. We did that first. Next will be division, because division came before multiplication when evaluating from left to right. That is where most people missed it. They multiply instead of dividing.